Welcome back to How to Kickstart, your go-to channel for thriving in the world of online business. Today, we're turning the spotlight on social media management, a key driver of success in the digital landscape. Ready to boost your online presence and engage with your audience more effectively? Let's get started. So, what exactly is social media management? It's the process of creating, publishing, and monitoring content across various social media platforms. It's a lot more than just posting updates, though. It involves strategic planning, audience interaction, brand representation, and staying up to date with the latest trends. First off, let's talk about the benefits. From building brand awareness to reaching global audiences, and even driving website traffic, effective social media management opens doors to numerous opportunities. But, how do you create compelling content for social media? It starts with knowing your audience and delivering content that resonates with them. Be creative, be focused, and always engage with your followers. Timing is everything when it comes to posting on social media. It's important to find the optimal times when your audience is most active. And remember, consistency is key. Social media is all about engagement. Reply to comments, ask questions, conduct polls, make your audience feel valued and involved. This not only boosts your brand image but also fosters a loyal community. Monitoring and analyzing your social media performance is crucial. Use built-in analytics tools to track your engagement rates, follower growth, and post reach. This data can provide invaluable insights to refine your strategy. And that's a wrap for today's guide on social media management. With these tips in your toolkit, you're ready to harness the power of social media and propel your business to new heights. Remember, it's all about engaging your audience and delivering value. Subscribe to How to Kickstart for more tips and tricks on kickstarting your online business journey. Until next time, keep creating, keep engaging, and let's kickstart success together.